Hello, today I'm going to show you how to switch off the maintenance lamp of your Renault Clio 3. First step is ignition on, and then you can see there is maintenance in a different kind of kilometers, far away or not far away, and you can use the program stick on the right side to switch between menus. This is important to switch to the maintenance setup. So let's go to the maintenance setup. We have two buttons, up and down, and we can reset your maintenance lamp with both, with the upper button or the bottom button. It's no problem. The only thing you have to do is, if there is an information on the display, as you can see, maintenance lamp is on, then push and hold the button on the right lever until the maintenance is off. Job's done. Easy, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.